I just popped a tube in my front tire. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are riding this 35-year-old, 36-year-old pit bike, and we're just gonna kind of ride it around. If you've been following the channel for a while, I know in the winter I normally ride this a bunch. So today we're gonna rip it around for a while, rip the track, you know the deal. But if you're new here, I highly recommend you subscribe. If you already haven't, it's down there. Hit the like button while you're at it. And if you want to pick up some merch, there's a link down in the description below to support me. So without further ado, I'm going to start this baby up. I'm going to do a couple warm-up laps. Not sure how long I'm going to ride it because I got a few videos to make today. But yeah, so we're going to have some fun. And without further ado, let's get into it. My front tire's flat. Did I just pop a tube? I just popped a tube in my front tire. No way. Bro. Oh yeah, she's popped. Well, let's go put some air in it and see what happens. I just about freaking died when I was coming around this corner because I felt it like, if you saw the video, I'll run it back. You see it slip and I'm like, oh crap. But let's see what happens. I'll put some air in it and see if it'll hold or not. I mean, I know it's popped. I don't even know why I'm putting air in it, but that just takes me off because normally I've sent this thing and it doesn't do anything. Like, it's held up so well. Which, I mean, I guess I should be grateful that I got that much use out of it, but let's see what happens if I put the old air pump on it. I mean, I don't expect it. Like I said, I don't expect it to hold air, but you never know. So, there we go. Dude, look. I don't know if you guys can see this, but she's flat. I shouldn't be able to do that. Let's listen. Yeah, it's holding air. All right, we'll give it 2 or 3 minutes and check it. So I'm gonna check it now. See what the air pressure is. Okay, it's at just above 13, between 13 and 14, so we'll go 13 and a half. And then we'll give it 2 minutes and see what happens. Let's check and see, well, let's first squeeze it and see what happens. Okay. Here I am, I just want to make a YouTube video. And I want to make a video for you guys. Dude, it doesn't even show it anymore. Like, it was at like 13. Now it's there. It doesn't have enough pressure. I swear I keep popping tubes on this. Like, if I change a tire, the tube will pop. Or if I could full send it and the tube never pops. But heaven forbid, this one odd day, I want to make a video on this. I mean, I haven't made a video on this in forever, but nonetheless, I guess that's the video, guys. I don't know how many laps I did. I think I did like 8 or 10. So, yeah, I do apologize for that, but I can't really do anything with a popped front tire. So we're going to try to get this fixed as soon as possible. I might have one on hand. I don't know if I do or not. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so that's going to be the extent of this video. Wasn't the plan, but yeah, if you clicked on this video to see a pop tube, well, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and keep grinding. I'm going to go fix this tire.